Imagine walking into an exam room knowing you're absolutely ready. No stress, no panic, just confidence. That's not a fantasy. That's how the top 1% of students study. Today, I'm breaking down the exact habits and strategies you can use to study like the top 1%. No matter where you're starting, most people think top students are simply smarter, but that's not true. They've learned how to study smarter, not harder. In this video, I'll reveal the methods, mindsets, and daily practices that help top 1% students stay ahead and excel in exams, projects, and life. Point 1. Master the art of active learning. Top 1% students, Dan. T. Just passively read or highlight pages endlessly. They engage with the material. Active learning means summarizing concepts in your own words, teaching them to someone else, or creating flashcards and practice questions. When you interact with material rather than just consume it, you build stronger neural connections. Think of it like training your brain at the gym instead of just watching others lift weights. After each study session, explain the concept out loud as if teaching a friend. Use spaced repetition apps like Enki or Quizlet to review material over time. Point 2. Plan like a strategist. Top students don't wing it. They have a clear plan. Think of your study time like investing money. The smarter you allocate it, the higher your return. Break your workload into smaller, manageable sessions and schedule them in advance. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work, 5 minutes break. Block off high-energy hours, morning or evening, for your toughest subjects. Set micro goals instead of study biology. Write review, Chapter 3, Diagrams. Point 3. Build an environment for success. The top 1% know their environment either fuels focus or feeds distraction. A cluttered desk or constant phone notifications sabotage deep work. Curate your study space so it feels like your personal productivity zone. Keep only essentials on your desk. Remove everything else. Use apps like Forest or Freedom to block distracting websites. Choose a study soundtrack, instrumental or ambient music, to trigger focus mode. Point 4. Prioritize health and rest. Top 1% students, Dan T., sacrifice their health for grades because they know a tired brain is a slow brain. Sleep, nutrition, and exercise aren't luxuries. They're the fuel for learning. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Hydrate regularly. Even mild dehydration slows cognitive performance. Get moving. A 15-minute walk after studying can help consolidate memory. Overcoming challenges, even top students struggle. They face procrastination, burnout, and self-doubt, just like you. The difference? They reset quickly. If you slip, don't shame yourself. Adjust your plan, take a break, and get back on track. Consistency beats perfection. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical motivation, and drop a comment below sharing your biggest study struggle. I'll respond to as many as I can. Uplifting conclusion. You don't have to be born a genius to study like a top 1% student. With the right habits, environment, and mindset, you can rise to the top of your class and beyond. Start today. Your future self will thank you.